Good morning, boys and girls. So you can see that on my screen. I'm actually showing you a sunset in the island of Paros, which is in Greece, and it was where I was last summer. And I thought I would start with this because I want us all to start thinking about something other than being stuck at home. And I totally miss being in the classroom with all of you. I miss our conversations. I miss our small groups. I miss our lessons. I miss hearing you guys say Miss Hanai's genius ideas and advice. So I think that we all need to also spend some time sharing and talking about what's going on in our lives and things that we love. So I love Greece. It's one of my most favorite places I've ever been to, and I've been there a few times. So I'm thinking that tomorrow we should have a classroom meeting, and I'm going to put the link on Google Classroom. I'm hoping that I will make sure it's not scheduled if any other teacher is doing a Google Meet with you. The only thing I ask of all of you is that as soon as you get on, you press mute. And then if we all are muted in the beginning, I can tell you how we're going to have conversation without all of us talking over each other. So look out for that posting on Google Classroom. Also, please, 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 I'm seeing a lot of you doing your work, especially on the Pearson assignments, but you are not clicking turn into teacher. If you don't click it, you don't get a score and it counts as a zero. So please make sure that you're going on Pearson and you're clicking in turn into teacher. Now, if you're somebody who's been doing it in your workbook and you're sending me pictures of it, then I already know and I'm counting it and putting the scores in a different way. So please, please, please make sure you're clicking turn into teacher. And always, if you have any questions, message me on Class Dojo, message me on Google Hangouts. I really miss you guys and I want to hear from you. So please send a hello my way. Have a great day, guys. Bye.